What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Kart Smart TV. Glad you're here. What you see behind me is what we're going to get to looking at. This is one of the Spartan brand golf carts, and just getting into it. Just got dropped off a little while ago. Just from first glance, I thought it was a Yamaha, so it's kind of cool. But let's get into it and see what we're looking at. Like I said, it is a Spartan brand. It's a good looking golf cart. Got some pretty decent qualities to it. Almost set up as tough as a vehicle in a sense, being that they got a whole lower control arm on this thing that is solid. It's not tubed or cut out or anything like that. And then you got the front disc brakes on it. You got struts on it now instead of like leaf springs or control arm leaf spring combination deal. Brush guard on it. It's got the little rack on the top, storage rack type deal. Nice little carbon fiber dash. They put a cool little Momo steering wheel on it. Street legal for sure. Turn signals, headlights, all that good stuff. Comes with step bars on the side already done. It's set up for auto glass mat or absorbent glass mat batteries, AGM style batteries, the gel. Got nice little wheels and tires on it. Pretty sure they incorporate a sound system into it as well. Got a decent back seat kit on it. Nice and bulky in the foot plate there. Really nice seats on it, pleated pretty nicely. Nice little long top there, matching the cart color. Seat belts. All this comes with this cart, if I'm not mistaken. Has the marine style Bluetooth radio system in there. It has a dashboard on it. Basically, it gives you the speed, the battery voltage, all that good stuff. It does come with a backup camera as well. Front seats look really nice too. I do like how they have made the rear struts here nice and you know, big. They're not oversized by no means, but they very structurally sound. I really like the way they're doing that. Now I guess we're gonna get underneath here into the hard part. Curious at what kind of. Okay, so yeah, they're utilizing basically the same style as Yamaha when it comes to the rear suspension setup. Got you a sway bar package there, trail arm, whatever, and some coilover shocks with disc brakes instead of drum brakes. That's kind of nice. The only thing I don't like is that we are back to this electronic brake crap. Just I really don't like the way that's set up, because essentially that is this golf cart's parking brake. Because just when you get on the brakes, it just normally works the brakes for your wheels, but when you cut your key switch off, that brake there locks and keeps the golf cart in park mode. Basically, I don't like that at all. Park mode fails, bye bye golf cart, potentially a full-blown loss. There we are. They do not look too healthy. Which this is the 2022 model, so I mean, you know, AGMs are very sensitive battery in my experience, and so if it's not charged and discharged properly, it certainly can ruin these batteries. Personally, I don't like them, but it's just a, you know, a slight opinion of battery style. I am becoming more and more convinced on the lithium, because it has, the company that we deal with has proven they are wonderful. It does have onboard charger. It's got reducer for your accessories. The controller and everything is back here. I expect it's probably some kind of AC drive, potentially like a I guess off-brand AC drive controller. The AC drive motor, you can see with the phases there hooked to the motor. But yeah, I think this customer dropped it off just trying to figure out what's really going on with it, and I noticed that when I did get it to activate, that the voltage for this thing was only at 41, and obviously it's a 48 volt system. It's got to have at very least 48 volts really to maintain proper operation and have any kind of riding time behind it. And so, like I said, I cut the key switch on. I noticed it only said 41 volts. I hit the pedal, solenoid fired off. I watched the voltage drop down to like 34 volts, and immediately I was like, okay, so the operating system is acting crazy, and we're gonna investigate it a little further. I'm gonna obviously do my normal battery test that you guys can see on the video already on the channel on how I do it. Make sure that it's actually telling me the right thing on the dashboard, because being that it's a low voltage like that from the dashboard, it could be making the dashboard be a false reading, or there could be a other problem that is causing it to read false. But these old junk batteries, and they are, you can see, and I hope you can see, but these batteries are swole out pretty good. It's a little dark down in there to see those, but I think these batteries are our biggest culprit right now of why this thing is operating the way it is. So generally, this was just a little review guide of this cart for you guys, and so you could see what the Spartan brand was all about. Like I said, it's a 2022 version of what Spartan is making. I think it looks great, actually, in my opinion, but again, it's just my opinion. I like that smooth, flowing, rounded nose. I like the way the back of the body is shaped, I guess I'll say, or molded rather. And I've always really liked those bigger black kick pans or kick plates on the side of the cart, especially on the Yamahas, and I'm glad it got brought into here. But other than that, man, that's I'm not exactly sure what their price points are. Haven't had much time to do any investigating because we've been busy around here. I don't think a hive of bees as busy as I am, but here you are, guys. And if you have a Spartan, comment on the channel. Let us know how you like it. Give us a couple pictures. That'll be cool too. We'd like to see them. Let us know what you think and how they've been treating you since you've owned it. So hit us up on the channel, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this review. Hopefully it gives you some insight on what we can what we get to see in our area. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, push that bell, that way you can get all the notifications of the channel putting out new videos, and hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.